name is Satyanarayan Shastri. I am the chemistry faculty. So my educational qualification is MSc B.Ed. So when I started my career at Narayana Junior College at Tirupati, so as a JL junior lecturer, then I realized that it's very hard to do that work for intermediate. You know already JL work how much is difficult.
Yes.
So then I think that how to grow myself. So at that time 7,500 my salary. So then I go to the Chennai and I tried for different schools. The Vedamal Vidyasramam, very famous in like Narayana Chaitanya in Chennai. The total Tamil Nadu Vedamal group is a big group. Already they started Bangalore and there also. So I tried there and I got the job there with 27,500 rupees salary as a TGT. Then I grew like a PGT, 42, 55, then RMK Senior Secondary School and Vedamal Vidyasramam, Ajax a group of schools and Pannai Public School, last Rishis International School have been worked. So last year only I came to the Hyderabad and I started here some online classes, Vedanta and somewhere in tuitions also. After that in November, I tried for the resident schools interview and exam I completed and demo also I completed. This is my total story. I am actually BTech. So initially I have been worked at factory job. The chemical environment is not suitable for me. Then I shifted to the MSc and B.Ed. My university written exam, I got the university rank and seat. I completed my MSc and I completed B.Ed also regularly. This is about total my educational career. Right? After MSc over, my educational career experience is nearly 10 years, not more than that. The 10 years. Right? So now today we are going to topic like that. First, magnesium bonds in the presence of oxygen. Students are very smart students. We are expected that they are having a lot of knowledge and something. We grow. We thought that our full knowledge is put on the students. Students are very small minds and they have no that much knowledge. So go through from basics onwards, right? That is a good thing. Already Saab told to me, right? So magnesium report bonds in the presence of oxygen. So suddenly I got a doubt. I asked the student, is it metal bonds? First question, is it metal bonds? Or you told the metals are solids, they are very strong. You see the iron, you see the aluminum, the temperature is very high. How the magnesium is bonds, sir? They have a strong doubt will come. So the magnesium bonds in the presence of oxygen. Anything bonds in the presence of oxygen is called combustion reaction, first of all. So combustion means the substance which bonds in the presence of oxygen will give like heat, light and energy, right? So this is called the combustion reaction, right? We know that combustion means from organic compounds will bonds will they give CO2 and H2O, heat and light, right? So here metal only we are taken. Suppose magnesium is a symbol of Mg, capital M, small g. We know that the symbols, right? And oxygen is a molecule O2. So Mg plus O2 gives rise to MgO. This is a today talk magnesium bonds in the presence of oxygen. Sir, is it what type of reaction? First of all, when you take the students of about the magnesium bonds, there are the two changes in our life. One is a physical change, another one is a chemical change. We saw many changes in our surroundings. Yes or no? Yes. So physical change, what are the physical changes, what are the chemical changes? The physical change, the physical properties only will change, no new substance formed, the compound remains same and it is a, so physical change is a reversible change, it's called physical changes. The best example of physical change, melting of ice and turn off the paper make it to toy or maybe many changes will be the physical changes. The chemical change is very important because burning is a chemical change. That's why we are dealing with the chemical change side. The chemical change is two or more substances combined to form a new substance with entirely new properties is called chemical change. Right? The chemical change is a irreversible change. Nowadays are told some changes are maybe reversible and irreversible also. Right? And chemical changes are totally new substance formed. That is very important. Right? The best examples are digestion of food. and photosynthesis, respiration, setting of milk into curd, rusting of iron, and we saw many examples in our surroundings as a chemical chain. So burning of magnesium is a chemical chain finally. So that is very important point here. So student got the one thing, burning is a chemical chain because we didn't get the original substance again. The formed substance is entirely new substance. Right? So after that, so magnesium oxide is formed. How it reaction happened when you go to the activity, the students asked how you show. So we got some materials like magnesium ribbon, small piece of magnesium ribbon, and we know that oxygen is available in the atmosphere, O2 form, and we need a tongs to hold on the magnesium ribbon, and we need a watch glass. After the burning of magnesium ribbon, we collect some ash. Yes or no? So we need a beaker. This ash we take into the beaker, add a little water, make a paste, then test with the litmus paper or any indicator. Right? This is what we need for the materials. Generally, so we need an indicator also we need here. What is the indicator?
What is the composition of ash obtained by
Magnesium oxide, sir.
magnesium is bound in a ash-like material is formed. What is the composition of the ash-like material? Is it a single compound or mixture of compounds?
It's a mixture of compounds.
What are those compounds?
Yes, sir.
What are those compounds in the ash?
Then I'll write the reaction.
Right.
Mg solid plus oxygen gas will completely burn. Then MgO. So it is also solid. It is a dazzling, bright or white ash. Burned with dazzling flame, finally white ash will form. This is about after balancing the equation 2 MgO. So I will ask this, what compounds will form? When burns the compound anything in atmosphere, some of the CO2 is present. Yes, sir. In A. Yes, sir. In A. Right. Magnesium bonds in A are asked. So it gives oxygen, H2O and CO2. So chances of form magnesium hydroxide, moisture and MgCO3. So chances will form carbonate because carbon dioxide is there and magnesium hydroxide also will form because of moisture. Yes, sir. But nitrogen will not take the flame easily. Correct? Nitrogen usually as a inert gas, right? Will not burn. Generally, it will form magnesium nitrate also, but it will not normal conditions. Generally, normal conditions available in the atmosphere, we know that oxygen, moisture, and carbon dioxide. These three will combine any of the form. Yes, what are you doing? Right. Thank you. So this MgO will burn in the.
1 second.
Yes, sir.
Do you know that magnesium continues to burn in the atmosphere of nitrogen? Magnesium doesn't catch fire in the atmosphere of nitrogen, but when a burning magnesium ribbon is inserted in the jar of nitrogen, it continues to burn. Do you know? Nitrogen acts as a supporter of combustion.
Magnesium nitrogen.
In the case of burning magnesium ribbon, nitrogen acts as a supporter. It combines with nitrogen and forms magnesium nitride also.
Mg3.
Yes, sir. When magnesium is burned in air,
Yes, sir.
a large amount of heat is liberated. Because of the heat, even it can combine with the nitrogen. As a result, a mixture of magnesium oxide and magnesium nitride is formed.
Right. Magnesium with nitrogen. We know that crisscross method. Nitrogen have Mg3.
Yes.
Magnesium doesn't catch fire, sir,
Yes, sir.
in the atmosphere of nitrogen, but when burning magnesium ribbon is inserted in the atmosphere of nitrogen, it continues to burn.
Yes, sir.
It forms magnesium nitride.
But exceptional case, generally.
So in that case, when it is burned in air, you will get a
because in the atmosphere present, we know that soft cold already, moisture we know already, dust formation,